ayos na rin.
O Benji, truly a man for the masses and for the, alam mo, nung iniisip ko, sabi ko, saan ko mananig yung name na Benji? Kaya kanya, Benj na lang kasi magkaibigan naman kami ni Mayor noon pa. As far back as the early 90s, ako yung isa sa mga kinukuha mo, Yusek, na na kumanta-kanta sa mga piyesta-piyesta nun.
Joe, diba? You said it. Fiesta, mga artista, kasing gwapo mo, siguradong hit na hit yan, kaya hindi makalimutan. Kaya yeah, that was early 90s.
Right, early 90s.
Near that time, and during our fiesta, December 8, kaya nag-iimbita kami ng mga bisita, pasaya sa mga tao naman.
Tsaka hindi ka rin ikaw malilimutan, Yusek, kasi isa ka dun sa mga youngest mayor noon eh. Di ba, it's always such a fascination pag makakita ka ng mga young blood na nanunungkulan, di ba? Tas mahal ng tao.
Maagang napasok, nasabak agad sa hirap na buhay, no? but it's okay. May kasabihan nga it's nice to start them young.
Right.
Diba? You get new ideas from young people, and that's exactly what's happening now.
Correct.
In the country. Kaya, unfortunately, I started very young that time. My father died, he was the mayor that time. And he died 2 months before the elections in 92. I was working with Procter & Gamble that time.
Okay.
Sabi, may kasabihan, dapat daw sumunod ang anak sa yapak ng ama. So, napapasok tayo. I was hoping to lose. Really, I was hoping to lose and go back to my corporate life. Diba? Unfortunately or fortunately, I won the election. So, I guess, na-stuck na ako doon.
Doon ka na. Right. Kasi from that time on, you felt like yung not being in the corporate life is not a loss anymore on your part, no? Medyo, you lost that, but you gained something more, I see, because dire-diretso ka na eh.
True, Joe. Well, naman, pag sinabi mong politika, people get this misconception pag politika masama, diba? Pero it's really helping people.
That's true.
It's really helping people. It's how you view politics to your advantage. That is to help people, and maswerte sa akin, I was given the chance at a very young age, diba? To help, and nakatulong siyempre yung corporate background natin. Alam mo naman sa probinsya, sa politika, old style, trapo style, no? Took me quite some time for people and even for my employees to follow the system.
Yung system,
Imagine mo, Joy, I remember the first year, pag upo ko sa department heads meeting ko, karamihan doon kamag-anak ko. How do you implement changes? Ultimo kamag-anak mo doon.
Lalo kung mas may edad, siyempre, pagkita nyo pa lang, bless ka muna.
Diba? Sino ka para turuan mo kami ng ginagawa? Ito matagal na namin ginagawa. Took some time, but later on when they saw the good things about the plan, eventually naman.
Actually, ako sa tingin ko, it's even an advantage if you come from the corporate world, kasi meron kang system already in place no? Implementation na lang ang gagawin mo, tapos konting people skills na lang para siguraduhin mong gagawin nila yung dinedelegate. No?
You should run for politics. That's it. That's what I'm saying. That's really what should people be doing.
Right.
And yes, yung last part na sinabi mo, people relationship. No? To me, that's one of the most important also.
Right.
And kasi alam mo, ako'y galing sa Maynila, laking Maynila tayo, laking Makati tayo.
Right.
Although my family came from the province, so culture shock din sa akin when I came there. But pag tulong-tulong pag maghalubilo sa tao, it should come naturally dapat
Correct.
So, took me quite some time, but later on naman,
nadali mo rin, ha?
Nadali mo rin.
Ibig mo sabihin, Yusek, pag sinabi mong people relationship, marami kang naking karelasyon na people doon. Yung ba yun? Or hindi
pero, alam mo, Joe, imagine mo, I was 27, 28.
Single?
Single. Kaya...
Okay, kailangan ko nang i-bell muna bago ka magsalta. Kaya...
Ang hirap din, pare. Mahirap kasi, alam mo, yun yung time na nag-iisip ka ng maghanap na at mag-settle down.
Right,
ang sabi ko sa sarili ko, never, wag kang gagawa ng kalokohan sa sarili mong bakod. Within your bakod,
okay,
diba?
Okay.
Hindi ko naman sinasabing gumagawa ko sa labas, no? Pero alam mo, lalaki tayo, binata tayo that time. So, medyo yung